Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as you see here, the SP500 was done today. After yesterday, we came here. Then it came down to here. That's when me I told you to enter along that megaphone here. We need to wait in the break of it, either up or either down here. Till now it hasn't breaking up and it hasn't breaking down, so till now us we stay in here in a sideways market. Look at it here, how clear that megaphone like that, and down here like that. Try to give you here like a wage now. Even though if it came and breaking lower here, we will enter short, but till now there is no entry short, no entry long. We need to wait in the break where it's going to happen, because over here we're still in a very stronger level. So we couldn't break it until now. The SP500 is showing the market still sideways here. Even if you go from here from hours to the daily, here in the daily you get a clear picture. Then 4 hours, look with me here what you see in here. We came here to that level here, and now it give us here a very well-known pattern. People, they are in my technical analysis course, they know that pattern here, that one here. Even if we zoom it, let me zoom it a little bit for you. As you see it here, that pattern here, that one here, look at it. That one is a very well-known pattern, and that one indicating the market is going to reverse, but not yet. It's not yet for me personally, because look at it, when it touched the 200 moving average here, what it doing, the market is showing a rejection from there, and now it's still going up. So the 200 moving average here, it's still very stronger level. So now we need to wait in either the break to happen in the top here, or to break here the 200 moving average for us to enter long or short. By the way, the people that been with us, we enter long from down us. Now we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. And in the last video I told you there is nothing going to happen unless the Fed came and tell us what is going to happen to them, because all of us, we know the Fed is going to increase interest rate by 0.25, but we are not sure what the Jerome Powell is going to say at the press conference. So that way also we're still waiting. So till next week, then you're going to see a clear picture where is the market going. So us till now we need to wait and more. And here I show you all those patterns here. I show you we got here a head and shoulder here, as you see it here, very clear. But the break couldn't happen here in the neckline, as you see it. That green candle here, it's showing it's breaking, and that red one of today, it's showing it's backing down. So that's when I told you it's not yet. And here in the daily, you got something very clear here. If you came here to the daily, and you came here in the SP500, what you seeing? Look with me what you got here. You got here a very clear megaphone. First time we couldn't break it. Second time here we couldn't break it. And now we are again here. Now either we're going to break and we're going to go up, or we fall down from till here, or we are going to fall down again. Both of them the still scenarios. Unless we came a candle and tell us we are wrong. It's need at least to break here for us to know is it 100% is going up. I think everything is too clear here. Going back now to the 4 hours. So here in the 4 hours we need to wait and more what's going to happen. And as you see it here, the SP500 here, it tried to give you here a double top. Even that one, if it came and breaking the neckline here, because everything about that line here or that neckline here, if it came and breaking down, it's going to fall down more. If it's not, we still waiting what's going to happen. And all the investors now, they still waiting. As you see it, us we are in that level again. So they're being with us we enter short from here last time till down here, and we enter long from here till up here now. So till now we need to wait in what's going to happen. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, I show you even the divergence here. Look at it, very clear divergence. I'll show it to you in the last 2 videos. I told you got a divergence here. Look at it here. If you came here to that level here and that one here, that's why me I told you maybe there is a short opportunity is going to come. So till now for us to enter short, either you came here and you drawing a trend line here or a channel like that, and you waiting the break to happen down here, or another scenario waiting the double top here to finish. Then when it's breaking down here, we will enter short. But if it doesn't, there is no entry. Even if there is that divergence here or all those things, us we are not going to enter unless the price action telling us we need to enter short. I think everything is too clear. I'm just going to 30 minutes to see what the SP500 doing in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. In yesterday video, we used to be here. People debating with us. What me I told you here. I told you we got here like a flag or like a channel here. Look at it. It's getting broke here. So for scalpers and day traders, we'll have the enter from here, sell down here. Over here, we'll have the protect themselves. So now what should you do here? Now it's going back to touch it here. Either it's going to fall down again or either it's going to go back up because still now it's showing still in sideways market here. And here in 30 minutes, he tried to give you here like a cup and handle here. Even that one, if it's breaking the neckline, which is here, that one now is going to fall down more. So you need to wait and more what's going to happen. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is telling us also we enter here to the oversold area. So technically you need to look in just for buy opportunity now. So did you got any price action? Price action you got, you can make it like that. Look with me, like that and like that, like a down channel like that. Like how we done it before here, but now it's more clear now. Even that one is getting broke here. If it came and breaking up here, you can enter long now. As you see it, how I draw it. Look with me. You came to that peak, that one, and you connecting them. You just connecting those dots like that. And down, you came to that one here and that one here. And you connecting them. And you waiting either the break to happen up for you to enter long or the break to happen down for you to enter short. And if you are more aggressive, you can connect in those dots, those ones. That one here and that one here. If that one came and breaking up here, you enter long again. That if you are very aggressive and you want just to enter long to here, that's another story because you got that level here as you see it, that one here, and you got another level. Look with me here. Another level is it here and here. So if you decide to come here and to draw the trend line here, and if the break happen here in that level here, you enter long to here. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Even that one now it's showing a big rejection. The market is reversing upward. That's something very good. Let's hope it's going to continue upward. Why it's reversing upward? Because of that. Look with me. You got here a up channel like that. When it touched the top of it here, it fell down, it touched the lower of it now. Now either from here is going to go back up to touch the up here, or it's going to fall down. So what should we do? Should we enter long? Should we enter short? Because the long of us it being from down here. From here down, we enter a swing trading long till now. Because till now, the Nasdaq 100 what is giving us, look with me here, higher, low. It give you another high. Now here resting. If it give us another high, that means also we're still in an uptrend. Now if you want to enter from here, you need to go to lower time frames and you try to find there an opportunity for you to enter long. Till now there is nothing there. You need to remember those things. And if you go to the daily, you still below in the 200 moving average. So let's wait, and if it's going to get broke up in the daily, that's another story. I think everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, same thing. As you remember, he gave us here the divergence. As you see it, very clear divergence. But what me I told you for us to enter short, I told you we draw in here the trend line here. From that peak here, that one here, and now it gives us the chart time. That means it's very stronger trend line. If it came and break it lower here, we will enter short. Yeah, now there is no breaking, so there is no entry short. Also, we staying here in an uptrend. You need to remember those things. Look with me. You came down here. That's a trend line. If it getting broke here, we will enter short because we got a divergence in our indicator. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. You need to remember those things. Now let's go into lower time frames like 30 minutes to see what the Nasdaq doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the same thing. You can apply it. What I told you about the SP500. If you are very aggressive, you waiting that break here of that trend line here to get broke for you to enter long. And I told you the first take profit, it needs to be here in that level. Let me show it to you. You came here to that one here. That for scalpers and day traders, not long-term investors or swing traders. And another level where you are now. Look with me here. That level here, you are in it again now. Now either from here is going to give us another low. It's going to break for us that trend line. Or from here is going to go up. The entry short here in the Nasdaq 100 is being from here. Because the last video what me I told you here. I told you we got here like a small channel. It's getting broken here. Look, we tell where you enter. That's why me I told you need to watch in our videos carefully and try to see the analysis also we give you. So if you enter from here, till here will have you make nice profit till now. Now over here now it's showing like a pin bar, and I think it's going to reverse. Why? Because of that one. Look with me here. What you got here? You got here a very stronger supply and demand zone, and now you are in it here. Now either from here is going to fall down again to break for us the last low which is here, and that is going to indicate in the market still falling down, or another story is going to break the small trend line and it's going to go up. Now there is nothing clear. It's our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see, it enter here to the oversold area. So technically now you need to look in just for buy opportunity. Price action you got here that downtrend line or that down channel like that. If it's getting broke up, you can enter long, but till now there is no break up, so you need to wait in more. I think everything is too clear here. So here you need to wait in what the market is going to do. The entry short, it was from here, from the top. If you watch in the last video, we'll have you enter short. Now here, there is nothing. Unless if in the coming hours, it came here, give you here a double bottom or a head and shoulder or something, you can enter long. But till now, there is nothing here, so you need to wait and more. The only thing which is there is that one, the channel here, the down channel here. If it's getting broke up here, you can enter. So you need to wait and more. I think everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see the DXY or US dollar, what it's doing today. So it's going there. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar. That one, what else we said about it? We said we got here a triangle like that here. Till now it doesn't get in broke up and it doesn't get in broke lower here. So till now also we stay in waiting. There is nothing new. Even if you go to the daily, you're going to find yourself you still down in that trend line. And I tell you, all the investors, they still waiting what the Fed is going to tell them next week. By the way, it doesn't left a lot of days. Saturday and Sunday there is no market, so that's why you see the market it's flat now. And even if you're looking at those candles, you see the market is very flat. That's the reason why you don't see no one entering now. So also we need even us to wait in what's going to happen, because look here that the last interest rate, look at it, how much it fall down. It's going to come another interest rate, maybe it's going to fall down again. That's the view personally, but we don't know what's going to happen because that Fed, I don't know what is going to say. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it enter here to the oversold area. So technically now you need to looking for buy. Buy you got here that price action here, that triangle. If it's getting broke up, you can enter long, but till now it doesn't get in broke, so you need to wait and more. Where is the break is going to happen? That way me I told you it's not yet. And even if it's getting broke here by like that small range in here, don't enter. Because as I told you, all the investors, they still waiting the Fed decision. That's it. Even you wait with them. Let's see now the DXY what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, also we enter a long. People to be in with us now for some time. We enter a small long from here to here. Last video we used to be falling down here. I told you we need to wait in what is going to give us, and I show you here that small channel here or that small trend line here is getting broke here. We'll have you enter short till down here. Now what we got here, we got that small trend line here or that small channel like that. Look with me like that. You got a smaller channel here. If that one getting broke up, you can enter long again just to here to the last high here. So when our indicator enter to the overbought area, you need to take profit because those days there is no big moves. So only for scalpers in lower time frames like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, you can aim into enter from here to here and you make some profit if you trade in forex. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it enter here again to the oversold area. So now you need to looking for a buy opportunity. To enter a buy opportunity, I show you got that trend line here. If a candle came and break it here, you can enter long, but not that much. It will not move a lot. Just to here, just to the last peak here, you take some of the profit. That's it. Because as I told you, all the investors is still waiting the Fed was going to tell them. So it's going to see the Bitcoin what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. That one here, what else we said in the last video? We said here, we got the lower of the double top here. You can find it even in the last video here. We said we got here the double top. If it doesn't get broke here, we will not enter short. Until now it's showing it doesn't get broke here. So there is no entry short now. And now it gives us here a very clear price action. Look with me here and look with me here. It give you here like a triangle now. But till now there is no breaking down, no breaking up. So it's still early for you to thinking of to enter long or to enter short. Now yes, it try to give you here in 30 minutes like a smaller double bottom here. Even that one, the neckline is here. For the 200 moving average, it needs to break the 200 moving average up for you to enter long. Till now there is nothing here. You need to wait in more and you need to wait in that break here. And as just tell people they follow me. You draw in here down a line, and here in the top a line, and you wait in the break. That's it. You are sideways now, or you are in an accumulation level. It needs either to break up or either to break down. If it doesn't, there is no entry long, no entry short. Forget about other people. They telling you scarness, blah 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 blah. All those things, they don't got any relation to the market. The market is showing you, boss, we are in a sideways market. He fell down from the top here. Now he give you here a double bottom. Maybe he's going to go back up here. Also staying sideways now. So you need to wait in. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, it entered here to the oversold area. So now we need to looking for a buy because you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. Last time from here we move up. Now we touched the first, now the second. Now we need to wait in the break to happen here, to break the neckline or to break the 200 moving average for us to enter long. If you enter long, take profit of you, it needs to be here in that level. But another thing, if it came and break a lower here, that level here, if it came and break a lower here, you enter short, and the people they enter with me in swing trading, they will close all the long positions. If it came a candle and break a lower here, that's what we will do. Because till now it doesn't show and it's breaking up, it doesn't show and it's breaking lower here, so also we're still waiting. But if it's breaking lower here, all of them, they need to close everything. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.